Silvia Pfeiffer, CEO of Coviu.
Hello.
Hello, could you tell me a little bit about how Coviu was developed?
So Coviu is a telehealth platform. We're a software that works in the cloud, and we enable healthcare businesses with video consultation services to offer that to their own patients. We're a spin-out from the CSIRO. We were developed in the CSIRO based on the standards that are now existing on the web around WebRTC, which enables video conferencing kind of functionalities directly in the browser. So we co-developed those standards, and then we developed this solution, the Coviu solution, as part of that in the CSIRO.
That's great. So how much time can it save a year?
So Coviu helps clinicians become more efficient in their businesses. There are two ways in which we help businesses. One is by allowing them to hold more consultations in the day. You won't believe this, but telehealth consultations are more efficient than in-person consultations. So if you set a schedule for 15 minutes, you typically stick to it, and that makes you more efficient as a business. And the other way is no-shows. Lots of businesses have problems with no-shows, with patients that don't turn up because they simply forget that they had an appointment. Now, if that happens with a video consultation, there is usually no problem because it's quite easy to remind them that they have a consultation in 5 minutes, and then the patient to go, okay, I'll quickly find a quiet location and I'll pull out my phone and I call my clinician via video and I can have my video consultation. So it basically completely cuts out the no-show rate, cuts it down to zero. Coviu is currently a startup, so we spun out of CSIRO last year. We got investment last year and we're located here in Sydney, Australia. My co-founder is in Brisbane. Nathan is running the development team. I've got the business team around myself here, but we have global ambitions. We are planning to go to the US within a year. We will be looking for beachhead customers very, very soon. Right now we're focusing on the Australian market because we want to make a big difference to Australia in telehealth first and prove our business model here, and then we're going to the US. Coviu is in clinical care. We're using it in private practices. We're using it in outpatient clinics in hospitals, and outside clinical care there's also an opportunity to use Coviu in clinical trials with patients often located in rural areas and hard to get to on a regular basis, which is what you need in a clinical trial. So Coviu can support that process.
Is there anything else like this out there on the market?
Coviu is very different from your standard, what I call talking head video consultation software, so very different from Skype or Zoom, which is what a lot of people use. We actually create clinical tools that support the clinician in doing their work inside a consultation. So as you can see probably over my shoulder, we actually develop specific clinical tools. This one is a range of motion calculation using artificial intelligence and computer vision. These kinds of add-ons that we create for our platform, that's where Coviu is unique and makes a big difference.